Hello friends, today I am making an unboxing and comparison video in between Redmi Turbo 4 and Redmi K80 5G. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of both smartphones. First of all, let's talk about Redmi Turbo 4 5G, which is said to be the first smartphone to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset. The phone is backed by a 6550 mAh battery with support for 90-watt wired fast charging. It is said to meet IP66, IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. In the camera department, Redmi Turbo 4 carries a 1 or 1.95 inch 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 primary rear sensor alongside an 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter. It gets 1 or 4 inch 20 megapixel OV20B sensor at the front for selfie and video calls. The handset comes equipped with an stereo speakers. It ships with Android 15 based HyperOS 2.0, which is paired up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB UFS 4.0 onboard storage. The Redmi Turbo 4 sports a 6.67-inch 1.5K OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection. It also comes with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support. Now friends, let's talk about Redmi K80 5G. Redmi K80 5G comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, 6.67-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels and an aspect ratio of 18:6:9. Redmi K80 is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It comes with 16GB of RAM. The Redmi K80 runs Android 15 and is powered by a 6550 mAh non-removable battery. The Redmi K80 supports 90-watt fast charging. As far as the camera department are concerned, the Redmi K80 on the rear packs a dual camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 20 megapixel sensor. The Redmi K80 runs HyperOS 2.0, is based on Android 15 and packs 1 TB of inbuilt storage.